cow.
Look out, baby. Your Christmas tree. Okay. Let's put that in there. Shoes off. What up, camera? All right. All right, guys. So we got cameras everywhere. There's a camera. Okay. So apparently a bunch of you guys sent gifts. So we were gonna open the gifts for the kitties here, but let me get acquainted here. Is this the best camera up here?
No. Oh, no, this is it right here.
That's the one.
I don't even know what that is. Oh, that's just a security camera.
Oh,
This is a
I've
camera.
been talking to the wrong camera. Okay. Can they see me right now? It looks like it's pointed straight down.
I'm going to look at it.
It's going to be my feet. Hi, Mama Kitty.
You know, they will adjust the camera. Hopefully,
Okay. Hi.
they do it remotely. I don't
Okay.
think we're supposed to.
All right.
Let me see if Lindsay can communicate with someone.
There's so many kitties. Can I sit on the floor with you?
There you go. Here, I'll kind of get the tree. The tree will kind of go
Yeah.
here.
You stay within that gate, Sneaky.
I will be
Kitten.
back.
Hello. Yeah. Hello, babies. What's this toy doing? What's this toy doing? Yeah, Mama Kitty. Alrighty. Hello. Hello. Alright, I'm at Stray Cat Alliance about to do a little package opening with Mama Kitty and her babies. Hello, babies. There's another one running around here somewhere. There we go. Hiding back there. Oh, you ready to open your gifts? Wow. What do we have here? Oh, hello, little kitten. Come here, little kitten. It's not even Christmas yet, and I'm getting to hang out with kittens. Hello. Oh, you're brave. You're a brave little one. Oh, you love pets. You love pets. Yeah? Careful smelling that sock. It might knock you on your butt. Hello. Hello, kitten. What's this treat? You're so brave. This kitty is brave. Oh, the camera's moving. Interesting. It's like an adorable episode of Saw. Hello. Oh, there's 4? What? Hello, kittens. Hello, kittens. Are you guys so ready for Christmas? Little family around. Hi, Mama Kitty. Yeah? You ready for Christmas? This is so cute. Sorry guys, you're gonna have to watch me film a little bit too because I'm surrounded by kittens. Are you giving your kitty a bath? You're such a good mama. You're such a good mama. What a good mama, kitty. No, we don't chew on that. We don't chew on that tree. Oh, hello, little one. You haven't figured out petting yet, have you?
Oh, Mama, she's so cute. No, Mama.
You stay here, Mama.
Okay. Your head is cut off. Camera operator, could you put... Oh, thank you so much. Yay, this is Nathan, the cat lady, visiting us today. He's going to open some presents for the kittens that were sent first, and then if you guys have any questions, I will read them off to him.
Alrighty.
the camera now.
Hello. What do you see? You excited about that tree?
We should have put it in there earlier so they
What
could.
did you step in? You stepped in something wet, didn't you? Oh, your tail's wet. So cute.
Get me out of this picture.
Oh, don't worry. It was just your feet.
Just my unicorn
Yeah.
cat socks.
Hello.
Yeah, someone said, please show him. He's doing something important.
Oh.
You're there. You're there.
Okay. Oh, no. You can't have this. No tinsel for you.
I know. That's, yeah. This is really not good to have permanently in here.
Don't worry. I'm a trained tinsel stealer professional. Every piece of tinsel they steal,
Yeah,
I will
it's
steal
cute,
it
but I remember one of my first kittens, I had tinsel on my tree, and I was in the hospital with one of my kittens.
Yeah, luckily mine don't chew on the tinsel. They,
that's
they
good.
don't care. They aren't like whatever. They'll hit an ornament every once in a while, but they could care less about
Your
the trees.
cats are like all, what are their ages? They're not kittens anymore.
10, 9, 7, and 7.
Yeah, good ages, yeah.
Yep, right in that middle ground.
Yeah.
Well, should we start opening gifts?
Sure.
Alrighty. Let's see here. I'm gonna set up my phone over here in the corner for presents because I think it's fun. Okay. You wanna help me open this? You don't care. You wanna open that one, don't you? Well, we're gonna open this one. You wanna help? This one's very brave. This was the first one to come over to me.
Mm-hmm.
She loves people. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Cool. We get. What is this toy? Alright. You see this? What do you think about this? Why is this wet? This is wet. All these toys are wet.
They're wet.
Just the bottom.
Oh.
What? Did it rain?
No, maybe some condensation. They were probably out there last night.
A raccoon
So what does
pee on
this
it?
do, huh? With a
Okay.
little raccoon pee on.
Little raccoon bait. What is this? Oh, you don't even know what to do with that. There.
Oh, that's cute. This goes with the nature doing really well. Oh, but they love the tree.
What is this? What is this? Is it a little springy? Is it kind of springy? Here, come get it. Is it springy? Is that fun? Gotta crumble this quietly.
Oh yeah, no, that's gonna be the best toy right there, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll set that there. What is this doing? What is that doing? Okay. Oh, no. No tinsel. That's my tinsel. Thank you. You play with the mouse. All right. Let's see what we got here. Oh man, bags really make you
Oh,
work
great.
for it.
Yeah, do you need scissors or something?
Oh no, you just have to you just gotta want it. You gotta want it. But oh, there we go. I see. So it goes opposite.
Well, we didn't mean to put you on the spot with the wrapping.
It's okay. No, this is real, guys. This is unedited. Me failing at opening gifts. How is it so? Okay. You know what? Since this doesn't want to open, we're gonna
Here, I'm
just.
gonna.
Oh no! Look, we're just gonna go down.
There you go.
The seam is weaker than the ribbon holding. I don't understand.
That's what kittens would have done.
Yep. We're going full kitten mode here. Okay. Oh my goodness. See, there's a tinsel toy. No, you stop stealing tinsel. What we talked about this? No, my dear. No, you come help me with these toys, okay? You're gonna help me open these toys. Oh, a tunnel. There's a tunnel. All right. Going for the bags and the plastic, of course. Okay, here we go. Ooh, now I know how these work. Who wants a tunnel?
Ooh.
Just had a Lion King situation over here in the corner. Okay, look. Look at this. There's a tunnel. Come in the tunnel. You gotta go in the tunnel. You gotta go in the tunnel. You wanna go in the, okay, you're gonna go in the tunnel. Let's see here. Is this a wand toy? Nice. Okay, I gotta open it carefully so I don't get the staples all over the place. Good. All right, here we go. All right. What is? Oh, cool. This is a fun one. You want this? Okay. Hold on. I'm trying to get this. There we go. What is this toy? Oh, Mama Kitty, you want to play? Mama's here to play too. I forgot. Can't be all work and no play. Makes Mama Kitty a dull Mama Kitty. All right. Untying the knot here. I keep forgetting you guys are up there.
If you need assistance, let me know.
Yeah, there we go. Mama, look. What do you think about this? What do you think? Good work. You want to play? So many kitties. Yes. There we go. You gonna get it? Cutie pie. I'm gonna rotate this a little bit so we can see all the cute kitties playing. Okay, here we go. Hello, hello. Oh my gosh, this is like the best Christmas morning ever, guys. Yeah, let me see. I see you here. Can you get video of this? It's just too cute. Sorry guys, I need video of this.
Where do you want? What angle do you want?
Yeah, that works.
Right here? Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Want it super close?
Just enough to see everyone, but make sure I got some headroom.
Right, there you go.
We'll crop it. Hi.
It's going.
You got sharp little claws, don't you? Hey, no tinsel for you. I have this amazing toy here. Why are you going for the tinsel again? Why are you going for the tinsel when I have such a good toy right here for you? I'm gonna steal
Because
this.
it's really shiny.
Here we go. I'm good with Christmas. This is my Christmas. I don't even need to celebrate in a couple of days. I'm content. Okay, let's see what else we got, kitties. Here. Drop a couple more of these for you. Make sure I put all the trash in the same spot. Alright. Let's see what we got in here. You want to see? Oh, these toys are so fun. Can I put this together really quick?
Sure.
Take me a couple seconds. Okay, okay. Oh, there's a couple of options for balls in there. Okay. Nobody time me, because I don't know if I can do it that quick, but it's been a minute. Okay. Alright, alright. Is there instructions? There's nothing like having to put something together in front of a bunch of people.
Pressure's on.
No pressure at all, but it's embarrassing if you fail. Okay. Which way do this? Okay, the triangles go down. Got it. Got it. Triangles go down. That's the big one. So it's plane, triangle, triangle, triangle. Okay, so plane, triangle, triangle, and triangle. So that's the layers. Okay, here we go. We're making progress. Mom, are you helping me?
Do you have to put the balls in there first?
You can pop them in.
Okay.
Okay. That's secure. Okay. There we go. Feeling good about it. Feeling good about it. All the toys over here and you guys are in the trash. Really? Really? It's the trash. They don't. No interest in all the toys. They got trash here, trash here, trash here. Okay. All right. Cool, guys. We are making progress here. I know you doubted me. I doubted myself. But we are getting it. Click, click, clickety, click. Okay, here's one. Boop. Two. And some noisy ones, I think. Do the noisy ones go in here too? Oh yeah. Look. What is this madness? What is this? Oh, good for you. Dang. That cat's a good little digger. Cat, you guys missed it. The cat just dug like this big of a hole to go
Let's assume he
into.
covers it.
I know. Oh yeah.
Then I'll be impressed.
That's the part.
Yeah.
Oh, Mama, you gonna play too? You gonna play with your babies? I love this. All right. What's next? And reach over, you baby. Okay. Okay. All right. Yes, I see you. Get it, Mama Kitty. Okay. I knew it. I knew it. Churros, what? Ooh. Maybe have to bust one of those out. We'll see. I don't know if...
I bet Mama will be on you for that.
I was going to say, Mama will be on me. Can kittens do churros?
Yeah.
All right.
I think so. I mean, I feed them to my kittens.
All right. Let's see. What do you guys say? Should we...
Unless Lindsay runs in here and tells me otherwise.
Nope. I don't see a red dot on my chest. We're going for it. Full send with the churros. Let's go. Nobody? Nope. It's all right. The door locks anyway, so this is happening. Try and stop me from giving kitties treats. Okay. Don't worry, we're gonna clean all this up too. Okay. Hey, Mama. Oh, come here.
So where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Come here. Yeah. Is this so good? Delicious. Oh, you're doing so good. Do you want some babies? Does the kittens want some? Mama's like, no, but
No.
I do.
Yeah. Mine.
Here, let's see. You want some? You can smell it. Do you not smell how good this is? Oh. She's not sure.
Mom,
okay,
and we'll
kitten's
finish
not
it
sure.
for you.
It's okay, yeah. Mom's got this one, don't worry. I know you were worried. Come here. Oh, okay. Mama took charge on that one. Let's see, do you guys want to try some? Does the toy smell better than food? Are we not at like a food is life phase
You
yet?
know, it's funny because like kittens, I think at a certain age they like catnip. Like
Yeah.
before that, maybe it's the same with churros.
Yeah. Okay, no love for the cat. The toy smells better. So Mama, it's all you, baby. It's so cute. You guys gotta see this face. Here, let me see if I can you show them how cute your face is? I tried to give you some. You didn't want some, baby. No, doesn't taste as good as paper, apparently.
As paper sounds or feels.
Hi. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh, this is so much fun. I might just move in. There's room for like a little cot or a sleeping bag here, you know? Alright. Okay, we'll do a little bit more. I don't want to overfeed you here. Okay, there we go. There you go. No more churro for you. I feel like 1, 2 might come back up.
1, 2 I think is good.
Yeah, or like half a tube or something. Yeah, we'll do exactly half. Exactly half. There you go. The last little remainder. You good? Good job. Ready. Okay. Is that? Oh, there's one more gift. One more gift. Can I set that on the counter?
Sure.
Just hello, little nails. Definitely letting me know she's there.
Do you want me to continue with this?
Oh, I can get it from here.
Okay.
Some selfie
Sure.
stuff.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you. No
Sure.
worries.
I didn't know
appreciate
how
it.
long. I know there might be questions coming at us
Oh,
here.
yeah. We'll get some questions. Yeah, guys, we're going to do Q&A too, so if you got any questions for me. What did I say about tinsel? No. Here, there's like so many toys. Look. There's that. There's the ball thing. You know, play with one of those. The kitties have found paper bags. Okay. goodness. This is ridiculous. Is that Yow catnip?
The best.
Oh my goodness.
Mama's gonna go for that too.
I mean, I don't see anyone coming to stop me. Alright, that's a yes. No one's coming to tell me to stop. Alright. Yeah, don't worry, it's coming. Mama's having the best day ever. Okay.
It's almost as hard as a red bat.
Huh?
That's almost as hard as a red bat.
I know, right? I need to use one of these kitty sharp little claws.
Next time we'll bring you tools.
Oh,
Mama.
Mama, what's this? Where's something here? Let's do
Something
this.
to rub it on?
Yeah, like a little. Well, that's not a bed. It's a. Here we go.
Oh, it's a toy or something. Oh, yeah.
Just put it on this mat. There you go.
Oh, look at her. She's so beautiful.
Oh, you're so beautiful. Such a good mama. You are a catnip. You gotta be a catnip man. How do you guys feel about catnip? Are we catnip fiends yet? Annie were here, she'd be going nuts. She loves catnip. She gets like weird. She starts twitching and like rolling around in it. There you go. There's some catnip. Yeah, put some catnip over on the
Hey,
paper.
Mama. I'm surprised, Mom. Oh, there she goes.
Yeah. She's definitely intrigued by it. You just want to take a mouthful? No? Okay.
Interesting.
What about you? You like the catnip?
My cats go crazy for that.
So do mine. I mean, I don't know if you saw my cats ripped open all their Christmas
Oh, I
presents
did see
early.
that. And that was yeah. That was yeah.
That was
right.
yeah. All right. You guys are too young for drugs. Good. Good for you. Way to set the example. I like it. I like it. My foot is completely asleep. There we go. It's okay. Just rotate it. I got another one. Hi. Oh my gosh. How many are there? I feel like I keep seeing more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5.
6?
There's 6 kittens?
Are there 1, 2, 3, 4? Wait, oh, maybe they're running circles around me. I'm getting all confused. Oh yeah, 3 and 3. 3 and 3. 3 plus 3 is 6, right?
Yes.
3? Okay. I'm like,
I'm ready back to explore that order. Let me see.
I'm losing my mind here. Okay. Hi, babies. Yes, Mama Kate. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Let's get some video. Do we have any questions coming in for the Q&A?
I am now going back to explore to see
Cool,
them. I can
cool.
see them.
What are you doing up here? You're a shy one, aren't you? I see you. I see you being all shy. Oh man, the tingles in the foot now. Oh, there we go. Look at these kitties. So cute. All right.
I don't see any questions.
No
yet.
Q&A? Okay.
But I'm going. They're just going churros, so we're back.
Oh, back to the churro.
Yeah, I'm going down right now.
All right, we're catching up here.
Someone said a guy using instructions. Now I've seen everything on Explore. Cora West said that.
That's funny. Joke's on you. I couldn't find them. So,
So you did. Oh, so you did figure it out.
Exactly. Hello. Oh my goodness. So many kitties. Hold on. We're gonna get videos of you guys because you're too cute. Need to remember this moment. Hi. Okay. Oh, this kitty wins. You're too good. You're too good. I love it. All right. Oh, you guys are all getting so brave now. They were weird about me at first, but now they're like, oh, okay, you bring fun toys. You're all right in our book. Choo, 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 choo. I know. Are you purring? Are you purring? Oh my goodness. Oh goodness, you tackled your friend. So many kids. Oh.
Heidi said Nathan has great vibes.
I appreciate it.
Oh, great.
How do you not have great vibes in a room full of kittens? Hello. This is where great vibes are born. Hello. Oh my goodness. Here, hold on. We're gonna get.
Oh, hello. really popular too.
Oh yeah, that's a great shirt.
Cat toy. It's not a very good shirt for.
Oh, I got all that in slow motion. That's gonna be a good one. Hello, hi Mama, do you wanna play? I love that this one just jumps all over Mom like, she's fine.
Someone's asking when they can be adopted. Lindsay has. They're 2 pounds. They're just not spayed and neutered yet.
Oh, okay.
So they're as soon as I think their appointments aren't till January because like the vets are going to close down for the next 2 weeks.
Just need someone who's willing to take all 7.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Sneaky.
Oh.
She got the shirt. Dang, she's got a strong nose.
I'll give her the rest of that one.
Let's see.
She's feeding all those kittens.
Yeah. There you go. Did you give up on it? Here, Mama, I'll grab it for you. Hold it. Ugh. Okay, Mama, come here. Come here, baby. Come on. Yes, you. You've been very good. You feeding all those kitties. You deserve it. There you go. There you go. That's some good quality television right there, guys. Okay, give yourself some breathing room. My goodness. Yeah, yeah. Hold on, hold on. No, we're not playing tug of war. That's a different game. Still more gentle than Pickles or Princess.
Oh.
They go for blood. Alright. Okay, should we get it all the way from the bottom? Hello, kitties. I offered. You didn't want any, see? Give me that look. That longing look like, oh, I don't get anything. Okay, lick that side. Clean it up. Clean it up. Okay, it's all gone. It's all gone. You did so good. Oh my goodness, so many kitties. Oh, the bed tipped over. Which way does this go? Here we go. Well, hello. Oh my gosh, you guys are insane. You guys are insane. This cat doesn't care what's in its way. She will tackle anybody who gets in the way of the toy. She's gonna tackle your siblings. Hello. Oh, you want the handle? Okay, you take the handle and you play with your baby. Is that how this works? How are you so tangled up already? Hold on, we need a slow-mo video of this cat jumping, guys. Hold on. Ooh. Any other,
You're very talented with doing things and holding a camera.
Oh yeah, I mean, I do this for a living now,
I know.
So. Ready? Get ready for this compilation of kitten jumping, guys. I'll have it on my page later. Okay, ready? This is gonna be a big one. Good work. Good work. Oh, it's so fun. You guys in your tinsel, I tell you. You know, Mama Kitty. You gotta set the example. And you, stop wrapping yourself like a present.
So for you guys, you're on Facebook and Instagram, Nathan is Nathan the Cat Lady.
Oh, yeah.
Just in case, you know, if
Yeah,
there's someone that doesn't know.
Guys, yeah. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook,
Yeah.
Nathan the Cat Lady.
And he has 4 amazing cats. And your cats are all like they're all so well socialized. They're
Oh
all
yeah, they're
amazing.
great. They're great little actors and actresses.
And so is Nathan. Very creative too.
Oh my goodness. You're so funny. Oh my gosh, I love this room.
You don't have to pick it up, Nathan. We can just leave it for them to play with for a while.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah, unless there's any strings, we should
I was
take
gonna say
it
there's
with
like.
us. We should take that.
Yeah, that can go.
And the plastic will take. The
Paper
paper,
can stay. Let me put the tape over. Paper can stay. I know there's a couple of other little things in here.
Yeah.
Sneaky little guys.
Yeah, what's in there?
Some plastic.
Yeah.
Plastic.
Thank you.
Hold on. I know there was a couple of other things that you guys shouldn't have.
I put all the trash in this bag, right?
Yep. Got that. These. Should I just dump these toys out, or should we bring some to the other big kitties, or?
Yeah, let's do that. They got a lot right now.
Yeah, I think they are getting plenty of enrichment.
I just want to see if there's any more questions.
Yeah, if you guys got any questions, now is the time.
I'm having some problems with my phone.
Oh, what do you? Apparently this box comes with a cat. Okay, is there anything else that you shouldn't have? Speak now or steal it.
So my phone's going wacky. I can't see any questions, but if Nathan's going to be here in the back, I'll have Lindsay answer any questions that you may have, and we'll just ask Nathan as we go along. Thank you. We're going to go visit the nursery and the sanctuary.
Kitties.
Yeah.
All right, you kitties have fun. We'll take the tree, don't worry.
Yeah. Although they're having fun with the tree.
Yeah, I just worry about the tinsel.
I worry a little bit about the tinsel too. Okay, I'll let Lindsay make that call.
Okay. Should we? Oh, stay in here, kitties. The small door isn't closed.
Oh, that's okay. Okay.
Okay. I can walk over if you want to close it for the kids.
That's fine. So we'll just slip it.
Okay.